Little Bird's Surprise by Lisa Charlesworth. Reading 1. Bump, clunk. Little bird fell out of the nest. The nest was up so high. How would he ever get back home?
I know, said Little Bird. I will jump up to the nest.
Jump, jump, jump. But that did not work.
I know, said Little Bird. I will climb up to the nest.
Climb, climb, climb. But that did not work. Little Bird began to cry. He flapped his wings to dry his tears. Flap, flap, flap! What a surprise! Little Bird could fly! Little Bird flew up to the nest. "Welcome home," said Mom. "You are just in time for dinner."